Decaf 26 here, just a pair of knobbies. And we wired a diode in there, flashing one, with a 9-volt battery. Put it on, and that's what it looks like. And next we're going to put the misting part in. We've got the mister in there, and it's misting away. You really can't see it until you take the cover off and see how the mist is right there. See the mist coming out? So it has to go a long ways for it to really build up in there. It's being released, but not at a flow rate that's really super fast. So I guess it's if I put more water in, maybe it'd miss more. I don't know. So let's try that. Let's pull that off. Oh, it stopped because it went below the water level. So let's put a little more water in. There we go. It's got to really, see how it's smoking up there? It's really got to bury it. So let's put it over like this. And we're getting some effect from the mouth there, coming out of the mouth. See it? And 2 items, they're the equivalent to about $10 for the mister, maybe, or less. I don't know. I forget how much I paid. But it's all set for now, for Halloween. And I put a blinking light in there. Just soldered one together. And put a 9-volt battery on it. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. God bless you. We'll see you next time.